Welcome to our guide on using a screen recorder. So, what is screen recording and why is it important in today's digital landscape? First things first, choosing the right screen recorder is crucial. Look for key features like user-friendliness, editing capabilities, and supported formats. Let's walk you through the installation process. Follow these simple steps to get your screen recorder up and running. Preparation is key. Here are some tips for a smooth recording session, from clearing your desktop to setting up a distraction-free environment. Now, let's look at basic recording settings. Ensure your resolution, frame rate, and audio options are optimized for the best quality. Time to start your recording. We'll show you how to effectively capture your screen and ensure you don't miss any important details. Enhance your recording using basic editing tools. We'll guide you through trimming, adding captions, and improving audio. Once your recording is perfect, it's time to save and export. We'll discuss formats and options to ensure your video is compatible for sharing. Finally, sharing your recording. Let's talk about platforms and best practices to get your content viewed by the right audience. In conclusion, screen recording can greatly enhance your content creation. Remember these tips as you embark on your recording journey.